Elevate your fountain or surface aerator by bringing it to life during the evening. Kasco's LED RGB lighting will extend the hours of enjoyment you will get out of your water source. This video will walk you through each step to assemble and install these lights. What's in the kit? LED RGB lighting fixtures, lighting bracket, snap-on light clips, remote control. All extra hardware displayed here for an alternate mounting method. Please refer to the manual for these instructions. For easy assembly, clear a table or work area. Lay your lights out on the table. Grab your brackets and install them on the light fixture. You may need to loosen the pre-installed hardware a bit to create an easier installation, but make sure to tighten it back up once installed. Repeat this step for each light. Take your lighting clips and attach them to the bottom of the brackets as displayed here. Now simply attach them to the float by snapping them on, as shown here. Proceed by grabbing the control panel and the 4 exposed wires at the end of the power cord. Twist the copper to minimize any fraying. Ensure there is no power going to the control panel by having the panel unplugged. Take the 4 wires and thread them through the hole in the bottom of the control panel. Then place the correct colored wire into the corresponding port as shown here. Please note the letters labeling each port with the correct colored wire. Your last step is to pick your desired color or pattern for your fountain or surface aerator by using the provided remote. Now you are ready for installation on your pond or lake.
Please visit www.kineticwaterfeatures.com or call 800-291-3013 to order.